The following data represent the travel times in minutes to work for all 7 employees of a startup web development company. Compute the population and sample variance of this data. Round to 2 decimal places as needed. The population variance is the population standard deviation squared, or sigma squared. The sample variance is the sample standard deviation squared, or S squared. We found that the population standard deviation was 11.36. We get approximately 129.05. We found that the sample variance is 15.82. So we square this value and get 250.27. Now let's compute these values in StatCrunch. Let's find the population and sample variance. First, let's find the population variance. Let's go to Stat, Summary Stats, Columns, and we will select the population column, or var1. Then, because we want the population variance, we need to select unadjusted variance. So that's this one here. So the population standard deviation and variance will always be unadjusted. Let's press compute, and we get 128.98. You're going to notice that this is a little bit different from the one we computed by hand, and that's perfectly fine. Your homework will accept either answer. Now let's find the sample variance. Let's go to Options, and then Edit. Let's select the sample column, and instead of the unadjusted variance, because this is the sample variance, we can just select regular variance. Let's press compute, and we get approximately 250.33. And notice that this is also a little bit different from the value that we computed by hand, and that's perfectly fine. Your homework will accept either answer.